Hello sweeties, I am Tiffany and welcome to my channel. Back. If you're watching my older videos. Yes. Today, what you doing today? I don't know. I don't have idea. No, I'm joking. I have idea, yes. I'm watching one video on Instagram and see one dress, Gucci. And I think, oh my god, I want that dress, but it's so expensive. And dress is that. You can see it's so expensive. And yes, and I think I'm very good on handwork. And maybe why not try? I'm gonna try made, but I don't have white dress. And what you doing? I'm go to my closet and see if I have one t-shirt or one white dress. Probably I don't have white dress because I'm married. Oh no, but Papi, he have white t-shirt and I can use because he's
and biggie. Yes, and look dress for me.
I will show you. Yes, one t-shirt white and for me. Look, one dress. I show. Well. Look, this look one dress for me. Valentino. Huh? Yes. This is not look really one dress, but why not? I can use one big t-shirt and one short. Gucci. And let's try. So we have our t-shirt. I show. And now we need the look. Now we need the colors. Which colors? I have 3 different colors. Sometimes is blue and red, and have green and red. The both is correct. Yes, correct. And I buy one star. I forgot the name, of course, because I never remember name. Simple names. I only remember Chanel, Gucci, Louis Vuitton, and others. And I buy 3 meters the red. This tape. Yes, mistake. And 6 meters the green. Now what we need doing? What is this? Gucci. And of course we need the glue, the textile glue. I paid maybe $3. I forgot the price. And I have 2 glue. I don't have focus, of course. But I don't understand Swedish. Of course. Aqua, maybe it's water. I don't know. Aqua Universal Adhesive. Yes, and we have one tesoura. I forgot the name again. Yes, I have secret. My first thing was not English. Yes, I'm studying Harvard and living 2 years in Malibu, 2 years in London, 2 years in Tokyo. But I'm from the secret. And I have tesoura, let me see. Yes, work. Let's go work, girl!
Oh my god! I broke my hair! And look at this. Let's go work!
Yes, the first we need to see the size. We will need and cutting, of course. I'm not good, but I'm trying. And I save maybe that size more. I hope this work. And we need the red too, the same size because we're fixing here. And let's go. Need fix the middle. It's not exactly middle, but you can try fixing middle. It's look more better. If you have machine in home, you can. I will see if it's work good. If not work good, I will use my machine. But I hope this is good because it's more easy. Now I need more 2 pieces, the 10 centimeters, and I will cut and show. Yes, we need now 2 pieces. 10 centimeters. Now we can start. I will have the t-shirt, that line. I don't know the right in English, but and I will fix in here. I finished with glue in here, and now we can fix the bows. I will fix in here, and you see the distance, 4 centimeters to 14. And now we need to fix in here. I don't know how I can use. Maybe I will cut in here because I don't like. I don't know. Now I have big dilemma because I can't explain. But you can see. This is no work, and maybe I will fix like that and that and cut in here. Da, 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 da. I'm finished. Look at that. Oh shit, so strange. But remember, I like this and I like. Of course, it's not similar, not equal, not perfect, but I'm trying. Look, looks okay for me. I will show in the closet mirror. And now I'm finished. Look at that. So guys, I hope you like because I'm really love it. So pretty. And of course we can have that. I don't know, more simple for all day. Yes. So I hope you like that video and like my project, because I'm working very hard for that. And please give me like it, subscribe my channel if you like, of course, because sometimes I don't like the channels and I never subscribe. So if you want to see more, do it yourself, please comment in here. Say what I can do in decoration, I don't know. I'll wait for ideas. See you soon. Why I'm dancing if I don't have music? I don't know. Bye.